Wait, so let me part the place up first.
You ready?
The clothes there are actually helping too.
Rehearsals have been rigorous.
This is good too.
All fun stuff. When it looks like this, you know it's time for some aerobics. Later in the day, you gotta get some dignity and national heritage. Ever since the screening
I'm going to take more pills now.
delegates have been drilled to put them through shape.
This one is enough now.
Julius
Yeah?
Timberman.
All these are enough now.
You sure?
Julius Timberman and Dance's trusted the companions how about the changes in growth, weaknesses, and improvements of the delegates so far.
Can you believe we're actually doing this? Can you guys believe it's a ghetto mini studio? We're just trying we're trying to get.
Mommy!
Do not curse!
Voice.
Do not curse! Listen, don't curse!
Okay, no cursing, but I look like a freaking mommy right there. Just to voice, I mean, just one freaking short script. Come on, I'm gonna have to do this. So who's going to be?
You have to say
This is not funny.
Turn.
After room service has made my bed all nice.
Guys, she
Now I
has
have to do this.
You have to
I can't move, but how's the book going to? Wow.
Yes. You're going to throw
Look
it.
at that. That's dress.
Don't squish my Miss World dress. Oh. Anyway.
You're going to cover the laptop too.
But the book, someone has to read. I'm falling out.
See?
Okay, let me give you the laptop now. Hold on, I have to give her the laptop now.
Stand up.
Ow!
Can you stand up?